Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. So we are back with the results of close-up coins. The hardest close-up coins yet, but has anyone managed to get all of them right? So an example is on the screen again now. We have got the face there of Peter Rabbit, and that one is from the Tale of Peter Rabbit. So if that was the example there, and you commented the Tale of Peter Rabbit, you would have got the first one correct. There was 5 to guess, so a huge shout out to everyone that's played along, and we're going to go through all of them now. So coin number 1 featured the number 29 at the top, and this is actually from the Victoria Cross 50p coin from 2006. 29th of January 1856 was the date at the top of the coin. Number 2 then, this one a little bit difficult. It is actually from the stopwatch, stopping just under 4 minutes on the Sir Roger Bannister 50p coin. This one isn't Cinderella's glass slipper, it is actually the shoe off the high jumper in the Athletics 50p. We move on then to number 4. This one, again, a little bit mean, and a huge shout out if you got that one correct. It's from the Sherlock Holmes 50p from 2019. The hardest of the lot, and one that I honestly cannot believe that people got correct, is the 2018 Peter Rabbit 50p coin. Now the question is, how many of you managed to get the big 5? Unbelievably, 8 people have managed to guess them all correct. Andy Vickers, Smithy7890, Ian Strudwick, Secret Wharf, Yellow Lighthouse, Dylan64 Gaming, Squirreling Coins, and also Alan Jenkins. I thought that I'd made it difficult. It probably was. And again, a huge shout out to all 8 people there for getting them correct. I will be doing another one of these over the next 24 hours, so stay tuned for that one. And as always, thanks for watching.